So, luxury rides 2030. Forget everything you thought you knew about luxury RVs. You saw the thunderstorm, but you weren't ready for the Sentinel Special Edition. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a blacklisted masterpiece. This 12-wheeled beast looks like it was stolen from a 2027 top-secret government hangar. We're talking about a vehicle so aggressive, so high-tech, it looks straight up illegal to drive on public roads. If you've ever wondered what a $3.5 million fortress on wheels looks like, you're looking at it. We're diving into the absolute madness of the Sentinel Edition today. Why does it look like a stormtrooper's worst nightmare? Why is the paint absorbing light like a black hole? And how did Toyota manage to fit 1,800 horsepower into a mobile mansion? Stick around, because by the end of this 9-minute deep dive, your jaw is gonna hit the floor. This is the official reveal of the most insane vehicle ever built. Let's ride! Look at that front fascia. That's not just a grille, that's the new Sentinel honeycomb face. It's redesigned to hide the infrared sensors and the active radar jammer. Those amber LED eyes, they aren't for the streetlights, they're tuned for 2027 night vision tech. The entire body is coated in radar-absorbent carbon fiber. Basically, if the cops try to clock your speed, you're a ghost on their screens. It's stealth, it's mean, and it's the ultimate statement of power. This is peak engineering, and we're just getting started.
All right, let's get into the skin of this beast. In the last video, we showed you matte black, but for the Sentinel Edition, Toyota went into the lab and pulled out VANTABLACK. This is officially the darkest material on Earth, absorbing 99.9% of all light. When you look at this truck in person, it doesn't even look real. It looks like a hole in the universe. It's designed to kill all reflections, making it the ultimate stealth operator. But it's not just about hiding, it's about surviving. Underneath that void black finish is a layer of hexagonal graphene armor. We're talking a material that's 200 times stronger than steel, but light enough to keep this 12-wheeled monster hitting 100 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. And yeah, for the price you're paying, you better believe it's bulletproof. This isn't just glass break protection. The Sentinel's honeycomb graphene plates are designed to dissipate the energy of high-caliber rounds. Whether it's a desert ambush or a wasteland skirmish, this shell is an indestructible fortress. It's the first time we've seen military-grade ballistic tech fused with luxury automotive design. This thing is built to outlast the world as we know it. But guys, the armor is only half the story. What good is a fortress if you're driving blind? Stick around for the next 60 seconds, because we're about to reveal the Sentinel's most cheating feature, a secret AI scouter that launches directly from the roof to give you God mode vision. You have to see this drone tech to believe it. Let's go!
Now, let's get into the feature that makes the Sentinel Edition a literal cheat code for the real world. Tucked away on the roof, behind a seamless armored hatch, sits the Aegis 7 recon drone. This isn't some toy you buy at the mall. This is a high-speed autonomous scouter linked directly to the truck's central AI. When the terrain gets too rough or the visibility hits zero, you hit the scout button. The hatch slides back with a hydraulic hiss, and this sleek carbon fiber drone launches into the sky. It flies up to 1,000 feet ahead, scanning the path with thermal and LiDAR sensors, and streams a crystal clear 3D map directly to your dashboard. It's like having God mode vision for the apocalypse. The best part? You don't even have to fly it. The Aegis 7 is fully autonomous. It tracks the truck's position, looks for deep water, hidden rocks, or even potential threats around the next corner, and sends real-time alerts to the driver. If the drone detects a landslide or an impassable trail, the Sentinel's onboard computer automatically reroutes your 12 wheels for the safest path. This is 2027 tech, guys. The kind of stuff that was top secret military gear just 5 minutes ago, now part of your $3.5 million expedition package. But wait,
If the outside is a high-tech war machine, the inside is a whole different universe. Stay right where you are, because we're about to step through the airlock and show you the Presidential Stealth Lounge. We're talking holographic consoles and windows that disappear with a snap of your fingers. You have never seen luxury like this. Let's head inside.
All right, let's step through the airlock. As soon as you open the heavy armored door, the hydraulic hiss tells you you're entering a different dimension. Welcome to the Presidential Stealth Lounge. Forget what you know about RV interiors. This is a billionaire's war room. Look at these windows. 1 second, they are crystal clear, letting in the view, but hit the ghost mode button, boom. The electrochromic smart glass instantly turns pitch black, blocking 100% of outside light and prying eyes. It's not just privacy, it's a total blackout. You could be in the middle of a chaotic city, but inside here, it's pure, silent luxury isolation. But check out the command center. There are no plastic buttons here. Everything is controlled by a floating holographic interface. You swipe through the air to adjust the temperature, launch the drone, or check your oxygen levels. The entire dashboard is a seamless piece of curved OLED and glass, glowing with that signature Sentinel orange. It feels less like driving a truck and more like piloting a starship from the year 2027. We're talking about hand-stitched Alcantara, cold-to-the-touch titanium accents, and a sound system that cancels out the world. This is peak comfort while the world outside goes crazy. Now, you're probably thinking, all this tech is great, but what if a massive solar flare or an EMP hits? Won't it all just shut down? Think again, because next we're popping the hood to show you the EMP-proof Wasteland engine. This 1,800 horsepower beast is designed to survive a literal apocalypse. You do not want to miss this reveal. Let's go! All right, let's talk about the heart of this beast, and it's absolutely terrifying. Pop the armored hood and you won't find a standard engine. This is the Sentinel V12 quad-turbo hybrid, and it's pushing a mind-blowing 1,800 horsepower. We're talking about enough torque to pull a literal skyscraper off its foundation. But here's the Special Edition secret. This isn't just about speed. This engine is built with mechanical redundancy. Most modern cars are just giant computers that will fail the moment something goes wrong. But the Sentinel is built to survive the unthinkable. We're talking about military-grade EMP shielding. If a nuclear pulse or a massive solar flare hits and fries every electronic device on the planet, every other car on the road is going to become a 2-ton paperweight. But not the Sentinel. Every wire, every chip, and every vital component is encased in a Faraday cage alloy. While the rest of the world goes dark and the highways turn into graveyards of dead Teslas, the Sentinel's 1,800 horsepower will keep roaring. It's the ultimate wasteland machine, designed to keep you moving when civilization stands still. So, it's invisible to radar, it's bulletproof, it has its own drone, and it can survive an apocalypse. By now you're probably asking, how do I get one and how many millions is this going to cost me? Stick around for the final 90 seconds because the price reveal and the limited production numbers are going to shock you. You won't believe how exclusive this club really is. Let's finish this. So, let's talk numbers. You've seen the VANTABLACK skin, the Aegis 7 drone, the EMP-proof engine, and the Presidential Lounge. All that tech doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Toyota Sentinel Special Edition is hitting the market with a staggering starting price of $3.5 million. I know, that's supercar territory. But you're not buying a car. You're buying an insurance policy for your life. You're buying the ability to go anywhere, survive anything, and look like a total boss while doing it. This is the ultimate endgame vehicle for the 1%. But here's the real kicker. Even if you have the cash,
you probably can't get one. Toyota is only producing 10 of these Sentinel Special Editions globally. That's it! Once they're gone, they are history. Each one is custom built to the owner's specs, with a unique serial number etched into the titanium chassis. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a collector's trophy that will probably double in value by 2030. It is the rarest, meanest, and most insane project to ever wear the Toyota badge. If you had $3.5 million, would this be in your garage, or are you taking the yacht? Let me know in the comments. I'm reading every single one. If you enjoyed this 9-minute deep dive into the future of automotive madness, smash that like button and subscribe to RevX Studio. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and we've got even crazier builds coming your way next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.